What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Natalie and I create a ton of videos about streetwear and street style, sneakers. So if you're into that kind of style and fashion, then hit the subscribe button for more videos. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a what's new in my closet video. This is a series that I've done on my channel for a while. It's been a little while since I've done one, but we are back. I try to do these videos at the head of every season. So this video will be more heading into spring, and all of the items will be things that you can wear for spring season. And I of course will have everything linked below. I tried to include items that are all in stock and available right now. A lot of it is really new and some stuff is vintage, so I always try to find similar items online for you guys to shop. All right, let's get into it. We're going to start off with tops. This is definitely the largest category for this haul. I have a mix of t-shirts, hoodies, some jackets, so we will start there. All right, first up, I picked up this black and white jersey tee. Really love this. I've been loving jerseys. If you've been following me for a while, you know jerseys are definitely a staple for me in my closet, so I always am on the hunt for new ones, and I love this one just because it's very simple and can go with a ton, whether it's jeans or even in the summer you could do just some like shorts with this. But so it's definitely a transitional item that I think you can have in your closet for spring and summer, but really love that it was just very minimal. There's nothing on the back, and you can layer like a ton of jewelry with this if you want to just kind of, you know, jazz it up a bit. But really love this. I got it in a size extra small, so it's already really oversized, so you can probably just go true to size depending on how oversized you want it, but really love this tee. Next up, I did pick up this Rangers jersey. This is one of the thrifted items that I have in the video, but I'll definitely have similar items for you guys. This one isn't like hard to find, but really just love the Rangers logo. I always find it really pops with the red and the blue. I love wearing like a light blue denim with this. This one I think might be like a youth. Yeah, I think it's a boy's sizing, so this one was a little bit smaller, but I didn't mind that because I could wear just a really oversized denim with it to kind of go with a smaller top. I found a few similar Rangers jerseys to have linked below for you guys. All right, moving into hoodies now. I have a few hoodies because I feel like in the springtime, at least where I live, it still gets a little bit cool, so hoodies are kind of my staple in the spring. I haven't even worn this one, so tags are still on it, but I got this Philadelphia Eagles hoodie and it kind of looks vintage. It's not vintage, so that's what I really loved about it, that it had this worn kind of look and has the number on the back, so I love that detail as well. Sometimes it's hard to find vintage looking pieces, so a lot of brands will try to make things look vintage, and they actually did a really good job with this hoodie. It looks like very worn out with the logo. So, and I got this one in a size extra small. I didn't size up too much with this one. I've actually been liking getting my hoodies a little bit smaller or true to size, and then pairing a really baggy pant with it just to kind of like proportion things out a little bit more. Yeah, this one is super cool. Next up, I got this red hoodie as well. Just love this color. I'm really thinking that primary colors are going to be huge for spring and summer, at least in the streetwear style space. I've been seeing a lot of primary colors, so red, blue, green, I think. And I got this one in a size extra small again. So it already is pretty oversized though, so didn't really need to size up too much in this one. I actually wore this the other night with just like a leather jacket and some jeans to dinner, and I really liked the vibe of it. It's just kind of easy to style and adds a little pop of color though to your outfit. Another hoodie I haven't even worn yet, but I got this LA pinstripe Zip-Up Hoodie, and I just loved the font of the LA. I thought that was really cool, and I'm super excited to style this. I don't know how I'm going to style it yet, but have some ideas, but I really love this, and again can go with so many different bottoms, and I got it in size small, so we will see. But I think they were sold out of the extra small, but really love this, and I'm excited to style this one. This is the last hoodie, I believe. Yes, another vintage find. So I picked up this Steelers zip up, and this one is super cool. I feel like the yellow font across the hoodie just really pops. Yeah, I think I paired this with just some blue denim, which I've been wearing a lot of lately. I got this from an Etsy seller. So Etsy actually has really great vintage pieces. And a lot of the times when I'm trying to find similar items for you guys to shop, I go on Etsy. So just a little tip. All right, moving into jackets. So again, where I live, wearing like a bomber jacket or just like a light jacket in the spring is needed sometimes. So I like to have just some fresh jackets for the spring, and I always love a good Letterman jacket. And this one is super cool. I loved all of the details on it. This one's obviously a very statement, louder piece. This one kind of has a baseball kind of feel to it, but the colors are still neutral. Like, I feel like I can still wear this with a lot of different bottoms. I got an extra small in this one, and it's very oversized. So let's see if I can show you guys. Very cool details on this jacket. Last jacket is this kind of camo bomber jacket. So I can show you guys the print. Got this vintage shopping as well, but I have been wearing this so much. I just throw this on with a very simple look, like some jeans and a white tank underneath, maybe layer some jewelry with it and like a ball cap. It's a very good like off-duty piece that I just throw on. I don't have to think about it, but I really love this army print. It's still been very much in style. You can find a lot of pieces like this right now. I love it in a cargo pant or a hoodie. Definitely a piece I'll be wearing a ton this spring. Okay, that is the end of the tops category, and now we will go into pants. I actually haven't picked up a ton of pants this season. I've been wearing just a ton of baggy jeans. I swear that's all I wear, so I'm gonna show you guys the two that I've been wearing the most, just on repeat. First up is just this black pair of denim, but it has this faded detail along the front of the jeans, which I really like. They're a perfect like baggy wide leg pants and super affordable as well. So I'll have the exact link down below for you guys. I got a size small, and I found that they were perfectly oversized while still fitting around the waist, which is hard to find. Definitely recommend just a good staple black denim, because honestly both the pairs of pants that I'm showing you guys would go with all of the tops that I just showed you. So you only need like a couple pair of pants in your wardrobe that you really like and fit well. So next up, these blue jeans from Calvin Klein. I swear I have worn these like a ton, and I link them all the time over on my Instagram because I always get questions about these, and they always go out of stock, but they're back in stock right now. So if you're looking for a good quality pair of denim jeans, then I definitely recommend these Calvin Klein jeans. I got size 27, so I sized up a few sizes than like my usual size. Oh wait, actually these are 26, and they are the 90s loose jeans. So they're just the perfect like light denim wash and fit and everything. Okay, so that's all the pants I had for this haul, but we're going to move into accessories. And first up, I got this really cute shoulder bag, and I'm always looking for just staple shoulder bags that I can just throw on and they go with every outfit, which is why I really love this. It also felt like it had more of a vintage kind of feel to it, which I love, with just the buckle. And it's not vintage, so I'll have the exact link for you guys below. Actually surprisingly fits a lot for a shoulder bag too, which is perfect. Love this for just a cute spring bag. Okay, next up in the accessories category, I picked up a few necklaces. I've been really into jewelry lately. I've been wearing a ton of like bracelets and rings, and I haven't always been someone who loves wearing a lot of jewelry. So yeah, lately I've just been having a little more fun with it. But this is a really cool necklace that I picked up. Let's see if it can focus perfectly. It's this New York Yankees like rope necklace, and it's really good quality. I love this necklace. It's super cool. I've also been mixing my jewelry, like gold and silver, which I really love the look of, because yeah, I never can just wear like one color. I also picked up a gold one, and it has this kind of like Nike swoop logo on it. Really cool. Both of these are from this brand in New York that has really cool like chains like this. So if you're into kind of this streetwear style jewelry, they are a really cool shop. Okay, moving on to shoes, the best for last. First up, I did pick up the Nike NOCTA Glide sneakers. I've been eyeing these for a while. I think these sneakers are just so unique with kind of the bubble detail on the soles and like this woven black and white fabric on the side. I just think the silhouette is super, super cool. I love wearing these with sweatpants, more of a jogger style pant, and that kind of goes really well with the silhouette of sneaker because they're super chunky but very cool. So I've been loving these. Next up are the Nike Killshot 2 leather sneakers, and I just did a full review on these last week on these sneakers. So if you guys want to hear more about the sizing and details of these and all of my thoughts, then definitely watch that video. Perfect spring sneaker. I think these will look really cute in the summer as well with bike shorts and just some like scrunchy socks too. So I think these are going to be an all year round purchase for me. Fall, you can really wear these anytime. Last up are probably my favorites, these Fenty Avanti sneakers in red. And honestly, Puma has been taking over right now with the sneaker world. They have been doing some really, really cool drops lately. I personally really love this silhouette for me. I know a lot of people have been liking the Speed Cats, which are really cool too, but I love the Avanti silhouette, just like more of this soccer style. And I love the color of these, kind of more of a bold sneaker for me. Usually I would go with something more neutral, but I really love the red. These would be great for spring and summer. So if you're looking for something a little more unique but also affordable, then I definitely recommend these. They come in different colors and they're super, super cool. All right guys, that is the end of this haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you want more videos like this. Excited to be back on YouTube. It's been something I keep telling myself to do, but finally getting back in the groove of it, I feel good. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.